Number one, relatives visiting in a rental car. Another shift in the bed of the road. It's firm, but my balance needs some adjusting. Hands trolling as though I'm swimming on my back in a pool. Appraising these dear loved ones as to their roles in this adventure has become frantic and pointless. What are they enacting now? Well, not a part ever improvised before, because no one is following a script for any of this. A casual remark, the car whirls around and another event unfolds serendipitously. Life on the move, that easy, that simple, excuse me. Time and again, a listed place is found closed, and an open one pinpointed through the electronic air. Now, me, plunked back down on the old riverbank, my previously scooped up mind-body feeling bereft. The inertness of this steadying place boring me, I miss the swirl of achieving brilliant fun. Can't stay still, and why should I? I'm a rock more polished now. No moss left on me.